Hi, good morning all. This is Sudarshan working as an assistant manager, mechanical projects at ARIPL Infra Division. Today I am here to discuss about the topic time management for personal and career growth. Yes, time management is really important for both personal and career growth. We all know that we have got only 24 hours a day. For someone it's too little and for someone it's a long way too much. In second category, people get enough time to do what they love to do, spend time with their families, pursuing hobbies, learning new skills, and make money out of it. We all even know that time is a finite resource and it's up to you to make most use of it. Time does not depend on anyone's favorism but on your own efficiency. It is rightly said, time and tide waits for none. Money can be earned back, but once if you lose time, you never get a chance to earn it back. It is not that Elon Musk has more than 24 hours a day. In one of his recent interview, he states that he himself gives 5 minutes window to complete a task and he does so. There is no other way for him and that's why he is billionaire today. It is not possible for all of us to do so, but I can help you to understand the importance of time management and how time management helps you to maximize the time that you have. First of all, what is time management? Time management is a way that you organize and plan how long you can spend on a specific activity. It is managing time effectively so that right time is allocated to right activity. Effective time management allows individual to assign specific time slot for specific activities. First of all, ask yourself which activity is more important and how much time to be allocated to them. Also know which activity should be done earlier and which can be done bit later. According to Mind Tools, time management seems to be a counterintuitive to dedicate precious time on learning time management. But benefits are really enormous, such as greater productivity, great professional life, less stress, increased opportunities, etc. Similarly, failing to manage your time effectively have some of the most undesirable consequences such as missed deadlines, inefficient in workflow, poor quality of work, salted career, higher stress levels. Sparing some time to learn about time management techniques will have huge benefits in your life and throughout your career. Time management plays very important role not only in organization or a life of entrepreneur but also in our personal lives. The importance of time management comes down to how much it impacts your professional and personal life. Time management is organizing your day so that you find best use of it. Excellent time management helps you to create healthy balance in your workflow and for family life. The consequences of failure time management includes missed deadlines and living with excessive stress. Even if you have failed to manage your time in the past, it's never too late to change. I have few steps which helps to manage your time. Step 1, effective planning. Step 2, setting goals and objectives. Step 3, get organized. Step 4, setting deadlines. Step 5, delegate tasks. Step 6, prioritize activities. Step 7, spending right time on right activities. By following above 7 steps, I think everybody can utilize the time they have. But one thing I can strongly say, time management and hard work can beat talents any day, anytime. Although time is not an infinite resource, but becoming excellent at time management, everyone can make most use of the time they are given. You cannot, as said earlier, you cannot get back the time that is gone by. So do not misuse it, do not waste it. For a day, you have limited time and limited energy. By sharpening your time management skills, you can expect to be more confident, effective, and efficient at work done. Develop the habit of using planners, organizers, tabletop calendars for better time management. Also, set reminders on your mobile phones, computer desktops, and use physical timers. You will feel strong sense of purpose when you produce your best work. So, friends, hereafter, Please utilize the time that you have, which helps for both your personal and professional career. Thank you.